to get your beep turned off.
Are you serious? I'll show. Oh, I'm here to teach you something.
Cheers, amigo.
Cheers.
Dude, straight out of Mexico.
From Mexico?
Gonna be honest with you, I bought it here.
Two big kids growing up in the heartland.
There they are. Wait, what's up?
For everyone else who's watched the videos, this is the same roulette table that I've played at before. Now I'm with Dustin.
I lost everything that I own.
He gave me his 20 and I've won 18 from it so far based on the first one. But here we go, folks. Oh, the balls are rolling. No, that's 31, not 13. Fuck, I lost. With you? Well.
Step on my shit.
I'm gonna step all over your shit. Probably should have charged my GoPro.
Do we want to bring a battery, mate?
You can get one 25 bucks.
But it's so close to the end. I know, it's empty.
I have to dust those empty chairs.
It's what?
Same lyrics as the same fucking lyrics as the last one.
Alright, we're at Circus right now. We've got 3 beverages that I'm currently drinking. It's nice when you get the drinks for free when you're gambling. Dustin's over here getting some money.
The same machine does the conversion for you.
It does what?
Conversion.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wants this, folks? Wants this win right here. Nope. I can't do this.
I tried.
Here's your last one, I think. Oh no, that was
it.
that was it.
As many maxes as I could get. I won nothing. Literally lost everything.
Doing 5, 5, 5. Watch me probably lose. Oh yes! I won! Back to $10. Nope, I don't have enough.
Hey.
25, and I'm like, everyone's full of science.
Yeah.
Or room 25, and I'm like,
Maybe take some nice photos of me. You know how to angle a good shot. Alright, I'm gonna try 250 because apparently that's the way to win. Just put it in. Here we go. No.
you got to go for 400. If you have the money in there.
I better win this. It's only $5.92. Dustin the Hermitage.
That sounds good.
It's a whole video of my mom yelling at all the guides trying to find him. And we found him.
Dude, I nailed the look this time.
What?
You've seen Take Me Home Tonight, the movie?
This is our second time trying to find the flamingos, and so far, again.
Ducks.
And Dustin's telling me that they first are ducks and then they turn into flamingos.
Yeah, don't you know anything? It's the first thing you learn about flamingos.
I've been misinformed my whole life.
See, that's what I thought. I thought
Here in Vegas, they didn't have most. Some of them.
Oh.
Okay, and I had picked them up from Larry Flint because they didn't want to pay $100.
What's Larry Flint?
That
Could be worse, right?
Well, it could be a lot worse. Oh, it's so dirty.
Yeah, sorry.
So sorry. It's so ghetto. But I love it either way.
It'll work.
It will work.
And I'm showing up in places that I've never been. I do this from time to time again.